If you're here, it's probably because your Facebook notifications aren't working and you're missing out on important updates. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll walk you through several methods to fix the Facebook notifications not working problem in 2024. Let's get started. First, let's make sure you know Facebook notification settings are correctly configured. Open your Facebook app, then tap on the three horizontal lines. Now scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Now scroll down to Notifications and tap on it. Review and ensure that notifications are enabled for the activities you care about. Make sure to toggle on notifications for comment, tags, friend requests, and any other updates you want to receive. Next, we need to check the notification settings on your device itself. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Find and tap Facebook. Make sure Allow Notifications is toggled on. Now customize how you receive notifications, whether it's on the lock screen, in the notification center, or as banners. And there you have it. Some fixes for Facebook notifications not working in 2024. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.